Hello students, in this video we will solve question number 3 of exercise 12.1. So here if you see, we are given that a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5. Find the total surface area of the toy. So this is the cone. This is the cone part of it, and this is the hemisphere part of it. So we are given the radius for both of them is 3.5. So that means ये भी part 3.5 हो जाएगा radius. Total height हमें given है 15.5 centimeters. So अगर 15.5 total height है, so this part is, तो we know 3.5. So this part will be 15.5 minus 3.5. That means height of the cone will be 15.5 minus 3.5. ठीक है. So total surface area of the toy would be curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. सबसे पहले let's find the slant height of the cone. So radius of the cone is 3.5 centimeters. Height of the cone is 15.5 minus 3.5, that means 12 centimeters. ठीक है. So let's find the slant height of the cone. So slant height will be equals to r square plus h square. ठीक है. Let's solve it. 3.5 का स्क्वायर होगा यहाँ पे, and then h square is 12 का स्क्वायर. 3.5 का स्क्वायर will be 12.25 and 12 का square is 144. So if we solve it, we'll get 156.25. Okay, 156 would be 156.25 would be the square of 12.5. So this is the slant height of the cone. Okay, now total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay, so यहाँ से let's take pi r common अभी के लिए. So L का value we know is 2.5 and then we are left with 2 times r. 2 times r means 2 times 3.5, right? So we have here 12.5 plus 7. अंदर हमारे पास बचेगा 19.5, बाहर है 22/7 into 3.5. So we get here 7 5s are 35. 0.5 multiplied by 22 will be 11. And once we solve this, we will get 214.5 centimeters square will be the area of the toy.